How to get bank statement on Tymebank app. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will see how we can get bank statement on Tymebank application. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up the Tymebank application on your phone and then you have to log in with your login credential. After you log in order to access your account, on the main dashboard at the top, you will find two options that says Everyday Account or Gold Save Account. Depending on which account statement you need, you have to tap on it. Now, you have to go to the transaction history. For that, look for an option like Transaction, Statements or History to view past account activity. So in order to request a bank statement, tap on Get Statement or Download a Statement option. There, you may be asked to specify a date range for the statement. Example, last month, last 3 months, or a custom range. So, in order to download or email the statement, choose the format in which you want the statement. You can either download it to your device or have it emailed to your registered mail address. So in this way, you can get your bank statement on Tymebank application, and that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.